Namaskar everyone. Today I'm going to give overview of the Mojo. Everyone calling as Mojo is a superset of Python which is used for AI developers. So in this video I'm going through the show modular and Mojo and Discord. Discord is the Slack channel which we use for Amazon other employees use for the sharing data, discussing and any group chats, any learning things and gaming purpose. I will go through the three things that is modular docs and the Mojo and the Discord. First we will redirect to the Mojo official website. Okay, Mojo is a here we can see Mojo is a new programming language for all AI developers. Mojo combines the usability of Python with the performance of C and other features also. As you can see here is a clip of the programming. How Mojo is using the Python scripts. So here we can see get started with Mojo and read the topics and docs. Here we have every guidelines included in this website and we have a engine Mojo have a black and its company and get started in the official website. Okay, we will first go through the what is engine. So it is like a cloud-based service which will give the engine and the performance and instances. Whenever heavy duty you have, then it will create a new instances and it will run. And it is the Mojo. It is what we are calling superset of Python. We will go through the overview. So it is already we have seen, and we here comes for hardware. So Mojo also supports for hardware things also. Here it says with software that provides generality and usability of AI developers. So these are all the companies which are using, and we can see here NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and other companies which are already listed in the Mojo software. So here we can see careers, there's offering job placement, something, and the overview of the company about. As we enter here, they are saying we are world leaders in AI infrastructure. We can't put so much of blah 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 blah. And here the real thing. We believe that AI is in a positive. It is mainly Mojo is mostly and main purpose is to give the support for the Python and it will use the Python syntaxes and the benefits and it will norm simplifies to use the complex structures and other scripts to create a AI. So these are all for team Chris Layton and Tim Davis who worked in Google and those met with idea of creating a Mojo to simplify the creating AI. So these are co-founder and CEO and yeah. In this docsmodular.com, the website refers itself. It is docs documents for the Mojo, how to use, when to use, what is the style guide and the rule books for programming and everything. Here it says it is having by Mojo, try Mojo. We will enter to Mojo programming manual. So here we can see Mojo allows you to leverage the entire Python ecosystem and it says superset of Python. Oh, we can see here hello Mojo code. So it's bit of simple if we compare to Python. Actually, it is using the same styles and same keywords and same types. And here we can see Mojo library and modular index and boolean type and every other things. Okay, and we will come to this Discord. As I earlier said, Discord is a Slack type of channel where you can have home gaming music and you need to if you want to enter any group then you need to have a permission. We can see home and gaming. See here there are so many groups present and so many already joined like it is showing 90 million, 9 million, 1 billion like this. So yeah, it is a good software and good learning platform if you want to focus the career. So as I can see students hubs also there, entertainment, you can play games and any other things for science and tech. So it is giving the okay, there are OpenAI, ChatGPT, Build Pack, Hack the Box. These are the groups which you can take the leverage and benefit and learn and grow. So this is the yeah. These are all the Mojo things, and please be updated for new things.